Is this what your work at home station looks like? Sitting in a couch, neck down, while you try and do your work from home? If so, you're gonna end up with neck and back pain. So to fix this, I'm gonna show you today how you can have a good desk setup. So instead of laying on a couch or sitting in a soft chair, it's better to be at a desk or a table. Here I have a computer chair, and when I sit in this, I should have my feet flat on the ground, but you can see there's a big gap here. Also, if I lean back, this chair is a little bit too soft. So what would be better is to use a harder chair. So I'm going to swap this chair for just a standard upright chair here. This is a rolled up blanket. You could take a towel, or if you have a lumbar roll at home, you can use that instead. This enables me to sit with my feet flat on the ground, and this lumbar roll is going to go right through the middle of your back to kind of help prop you upright. From there, you want to get close to your computer. Your arms shouldn't be outstretched when you're using it or when you're using your mouse. Instead, they should be close to you. Your computer screen should be about eye height. Here, my computer screen is too low, so I can take some books to prop it upright. This is a more ideal sitting posture because my head isn't far forward like that, stretched out to see the screen. Instead, it's pulled back. My arms are close to my body and my feet are flat on the ground.